Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate communication with Zoom, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate communication with Zoom, start by accessing your Zoom account. Log into your Zoom account on the website. Navigate to the settings section in your account. Scroll down to the meeting tab. Look for the email notifications settings. Enable the notifications you want for upcoming meetings. Consider setting up reminders for participants. Next, integrate Zoom with your calendar application. Visit the Zoom marketplace and find relevant calendar integrations. Choose the integration option compatible with your calendar. Follow the prompts to connect your calendar to your Zoom account. Once linked, set your preferences for automatic meeting creation. Now, turn your attention to using Zoom APIs for advanced automation. Visit the Zoom developer portal and sign up for a developer account. Generate an API key and secret for your application. Review the Zoom API documentation for endpoint options. Create automated scripts using your preferred programming language. Use the API to schedule meetings and send invitations automatically. Consider leveraging third-party automation tools like Zapier. Create a Zap that connects Zoom with other apps you use. Set triggers for actions like new events in your calendar. Establish actions that automatically create Zoom meetings. Next, explore automation features within Zoom itself. Look at the Personal Meeting ID option for recurring meetings. Utilize registration features for larger webinars to manage invites. Customize automated emails to reflect your branding. Remember to test all automated processes before using them live. Monitor automated communications for any issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.